honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Lord have mercy. I mean, it's so hot. House is hot. We just came in from Walmart. Had to pick up some meds. When I got in the car, it was 92 degrees. That's what the car said. It feels like 92. Okay, me and Walter were going to fix steak today. We both got ribeyes. They were on sale last week at Jewel. So I had mine thawing out. His was already thawed out. I come from the store. I don't want no steak. Look what I got. A hot beef Polish sausage. He said, girl, you crazy. That's what I got a taste for. So I'm going to air fry these. I'll show you how I fix mine. This is the Scott Pete. It used to be Scott Peterson, now it's Scott Pete. They changed the name. I guess because of that man. He did whatever he did. I forgot what he did now. Okay, let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, before I get started, I'm going to use my mason jar Ziploc bag. Oh, it's always hard to open. I guess 4 fit in here. Oh no. Get in there. Come on. Get your little self in there. Everybody using another bag because you don't want to cooperate. Okay, I'll do that in a few minutes. It's gonna fit. Okay, this is how I do my hot dogs and sausage. Y'all see what I'm doing. I just cut them like this. I don't go all the way through. Okay. Okay, I got my this here thing sitting up high. I have a pan in the bottom to catch the drippings. So this is the only thing I have to wash. So this is how it's cut. Like that. Okay. Wipe my hands off. Pull it out from the wall. Turn it on, and I'm gonna put it on French fry setting and start. And of course, it's not gonna take no 18 minutes for this to cook because it's already done. It just gotta heat up. Let me turn it down some just in case I forget it's in here. I'll say 8 minutes. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, it took 6 minutes. I stopped it at 6 minutes. I could have stopped it at 5. Okay, this is how these fit in here. This is 4. Okay. I had to shovel. Okay, this is what I got on I got bread. I like bread better than buns. So I got my Famous Dave's spicy relish. It's sweet and spicy. I got my Miracle Whip. Okay. And I chopped up some onion. Some yellow onion. That's what that looks like. Corkscrew. And they always curl up once you cut them. And I will wash this later. This over here. Here are my spicy Polish. There's my 2 spicy Polish. I'm eating this instead of steak. Okay. I'm not going to bite this because it's going to be super messy. And I'm not going to be on camera. Stuff dripping everywhere. That's what it looks like. Okay. So I'm about to get my eat on. It's 5:53 p.m. on Sunday. Might fix my steak tomorrow. But right now I ain't thinking about no steak. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bon appetit. This house so hot, y'all. Okay. Bye.